So let's see how to use the nitroproc version for iPhone and iPad. So here in the upper part we have the list of scripts. So these are scripts already contained in nitroproc. So these are just examples. So it shows you how to sort, merge, and do all other things with your data. And then on the lower part we have the CSVs. So I will just open one CSV. Here you can see that I can scroll down and up, and obviously go to the right and to the left. So I have the controls there. There are a couple of CSV files that are contained here. Obviously you can add your own CSVs, and these are used in the examples that I described here on the upper part. So all this code there uses those data sources. So now if we click on a specific script, we can see the script here. I hope it's clear here. I will rotate it back. So you can see how the log looks like and how the log tracer file looks like. So these two files are generated once I run my script, and obviously they display the results. So here on run you can see how I'm running the script. So you just click there on run and that's it. Then obviously in settings we can correct some stuff. So I can remove the paths that you can see. So you can see that basically when you activate that option, nitroproc will remove that very long path that appears in the phone. And then here on the about section we have some help, and those are pretty much the most important components of the app. There are some other stuff that you can change here in settings. Let's see. So in this case I'm just removing disabling and enabling the part that removes the path of the files. And then if I want to navigate through the log file, through the log or log tracer files, you can see that there I have the corresponding buttons. It's important to realize that there on the upper part of that screen I have the add script, and I will come back to that in a minute. So let's see one more thing. Here you can see, for example, how to execute a where statement. So there are lots of examples. So here I want to add script, and here I am typing my script. So in this case I will name this my script whatever, and then I just touch there on save, and that will generate a nitroproc script. So remember, every file finally one thing here. So if you want to edit your script, you can just code here. So you can actually code as if this was a computer. So exactly the same, and then you press run or save, and this will run the script. Now let's see how to transfer data to nitroproc via a Mac. So I will use iTunes for this. You certainly need iTunes. You can even run iTunes on your PC. No need to use a Mac. So here I go to file sharing, and then I select nitroproc, and there I have all the data that can be downloaded from the program. So all these CSVs and nitroproc files. So remember, the scripts have the nitroproc extensions, and the CSV files are just the comma delimited files. So in this case I will just transfer some data from the phone into my computer. So it's as simple as that. And then I will do something else. Let's imagine I rename this file. So let's change this to some other name, and I will load it back to my phone. So I load this, and I have more data that I can code, or I can do whatever I want with nitroproc. So it's very simple to move data